Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Global, where we share some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Crispy shrimp balls are irresistible appetizers that are crispy on the outside, juicy and flavorful on the inside, and guaranteed to disappear within minutes. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for crispy shrimp balls. These homemade crispy shrimp balls are packed with delicate sweetness of shrimp, seasoned with Chinese five-spice powder, garlic, ginger, black pepper, and fresh coriander, then coated with crunchy bread cubes and fried until beautifully golden brown. The result is a crispy exterior with a soft, juicy and flavorful center that pairs perfectly with tomato ketchup or Schezwan sauce. So let's get cooking and prepare this global favorite, delicious crispy shrimp balls. Step 1. Preparing the shrimp mixture. We have taken around 200 grams of washed, cleaned and deveined shrimps. Add the shrimps in a mixer grinder. Add half teaspoon of salt. Add half teaspoon of Chinese five-spice powder. Add quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder. Add 1 teaspoon of lime juice. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Add half teaspoon of soya sauce. Add half teaspoon of cooking oil. Add 1 teaspoon of heaped finely cut coriander or cilantro leaves. Grind to a smooth paste. Shrimp paste is ready. Move the shrimp paste to a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of finely cut onion. Add 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Mix everything nicely. Cover and keep the shrimp mixture aside for around 15 minutes. Shrimp mixture is ready. Step 2. Preparing the shrimp balls. Start off with 4 slices of bread. Cut and remove the edges of the bread slices. Cut 2 bread slices at a time. Cut the bread slices into small cubes of 1 cm size, like the way I have done. Similarly, cut the other 2 bread slices. Bread cubes are ready. Take 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a bowl. Grease your hands with this oil. Take the shrimp paste and roll it into a 1-inch ball size. Coat the shrimp ball with oil so that the bread cubes stick to it nicely. Now coat the shrimp balls fully with the bread cubes. No shrimp paste should be visible. Cover completely with bread cubes.
Subscribe to Get Cooking Global for some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Press the bell icon so that you're instantly notified when we upload a new recipe.
Shrimp ball is ready. Similarly, prepare the remaining shrimp balls. Use as many bread slices as needed to coat the remaining shrimp balls. To learn how to make Chinese five-spice powder, refer to our recipe which is given in the description box, or just comment Chinese five-spice powder and we will send you the recipe link. Shrimp balls are ready for frying. Step 3. Frying the shrimp balls. Place a frying pan on medium-low heat and add cooking oil for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, add the shrimp balls one by one. Do not overcrowd the pan by adding too many shrimp balls at a time. The temperature of the oil will fall and the shrimp balls will absorb a lot of oil. Turn them around so that all the sides are evenly cooked. Fry the shrimp balls until they turn golden brown. Remove them once they are done. place the shrimp balls in a strainer or on a paper napkin to get rid of the excess oil. Similarly, fry the remaining shrimp balls if you are frying them in multiple batches. Delicious crispy shrimp balls are ready. Enjoy these crispy shrimp balls hot with tomato ketchup or Schezwan sauce. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Share this video with your friends and family, and do subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.